Last week on ShannonHoopla.
Slowing down! Just a little bit! Oh. It's pouring down rain!
Good day. It's Friday morning. I'm going to work. And I'm doing a redneck hillbilly blow dry. Because I was just too lazy to blow dry my hair today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear James. Happy birthday to you. God's blessings to you. God's blessings to you.
Make a wish! Hang on. Hold on.
Hold on.
It doesn't count if you do it, if you don't get them all.
Make a wish!
Go, go, go,
Go, dude, go, dude, go, dude, go, dude.
Woo!
Good job. Pissed right now because we ordered this goddamn cat tree and none of the fucking things line up. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is the lineup for the fucking original cat bed. This is what it's supposed to look like. Is like this. But this doesn't match up. This doesn't match up. It's fucking bullshit. Why? This is... Ugh! Can't tell if that's the case of the camera or my sunglasses. Nope, just my sunglasses. Alright, cool. It's Sunday. We are out kayaking, and I want to go for a swim. It's hot and sweaty, and you're gonna come too. Good day. My camera's gonna die, but it's Wednesday. It's been a long week. Yesterday for the 4th, Jessica, Mariah, and Jessica's boyfriend just came over and we played beer pong in the pool and chilled, and I didn't take any video of it at all, so sorry, but it is what it is. I'm being texted, and I'm watching vlogs, and my mom's calling the cats.